Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data analysis with Microsoft Excel, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Familiarize yourself with the interface, focusing on the ribbon at the top. Select the data you want to analyze by clicking and dragging over the relevant cells. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon. Click on Sort to organize your data in ascending or descending order. If you have a large dataset, use the filter option to narrow down your choices. Highlight your data range again. Navigate to the Insert tab. Choose Pivot Table to summarize your data effectively. In the menu that appears, select whether to place the pivot table in a new worksheet or the existing one. Drag and drop fields from the field list into the rows and values areas of the pivot table. Explore the Analyze tab to adjust settings such as layout and format. Next, utilize Excel's formulas to perform calculations. Click on the Formulas tab and explore the function library. Use functions like sum, average. For advanced analysis, consider using the Data Analysis tool. To enable it, go to File, then Options, and select Add-ins. In the Manage box, select Excel Add-ins and click Go. Check Analysis. Follow the prompts to input your data and interpret the results. Explore the charts under the Insert tab to visualize your data effectively. Select your data and choose a chart type that best represents your information. Use conditional formatting under the Home tab to highlight important trends. Select the range of data and choose a formatting style that stands out. Consider using the What If Analysis tool to explore different scenarios. Find this option under the Data tab and explore tools like Goal Seek and Scenario Manager. Lastly, save your work regularly to avoid losing any valuable data. Review your findings and ensure your analysis is accurate and insightful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.